this fast-paced world where the unpredictable happens, where your day can start off well, then something happens.
Not again. This Okada man won't send me back to village.
But with Linkage Assurance Auto Policy, prompt claim settlement and a standby customer service team to serve you. Be rest assured, we've got your world covered. To get started, call 0700 Linkage or visit our website on www.linkageassuranceplc.com now. Linkage Assurance PLC, protection that counts.
You're welcome back. Well, while the police are telling you that they will not take it easy with you on the road when it comes to the enforcement of the third-party insurance policy, well, Linkage Assurance, they've introduced a motto third-party plus insurance product, and they say it's designed to offer prospects and the benefits of third-party insurance and some elements of comprehensive insurance while maintaining cost-effectiveness. This budget-friendly product, they say, caters to individuals and businesses looking for peace of mind, financial efficiency, and added protection in a challenging economic environment. And so they say it's balanced and affordable for customers. Let's hear more about this now. We have the Chief Strategy and Product Officer of Linkage Assurance, Dr. Imo. He's a double Imo man. Joins me right here. Good and morning. Then the Head of Actuarial Services, Mr. Oluwaseun Oyelere, also joining me. Good morning, gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming here this morning. So we know that we've been hearing a whole lot about the implementation. It's not new. The third-party policy is not new. But now the police have said that they are going to ensure that they carry out their responsibility in that respect. So I'm wondering, is that why you now have this third-party plus package? And what is special? What's plus about it?
Thank you and good morning. Good morning. Thank you for having us. It's just a coincidence that the time we were about to project and promote this product happens to be the time that the police and the regulators are making it, promoting the third-party insurance. What brought about the third-party insurance is that we all discovered that there's need for our people to have something ordinary other than the basic third party, and that's what made Linkage Assurance. It was a product that we researched, extensive research, went into it to produce it in order to give our consumers, insurance consumers in Nigeria, a bit of what they were missing from comprehensive, and also what they will all have in the conventional third-party insurance.
Interesting, Oluwaseun. Maybe you can tell us this combination of comprehensive and the third party, because I know that there are other insurance companies, and they will also say, well, we also do third party. So what makes this stand out? What's the comprehensive package there?
All right. Thank you very much. Good morning. So with respect to the product, from the word third party plus, the plus is that extra. And so what it means is that beyond the basic third party cover, you are going to have an element or some element of the comprehensive cover added to your third party cover. And what that means simply is that while you have the basic third-party cover that requires you
Which is, I mean, let's not just assume that everybody knows. The third party is that, you know, you hit somebody's car, it's taken care of.
So in the event that the third party is saying you hit somebody's car or you run into someone else's property, you damage the property. Or in the event that you injure someone in the process of driving your car or using your car, now, that is what the third party takes care of, right? The liability you incur as a result of damaging someone else's property and then injuring them or causing, God forbid, death to them, that is third party. Now, the plus, which is the extra, is now taking a bit of comprehensive cover, which is accidental damage to your car. So where your car gets damaged in the process, you get some level of compensation up to the defined limits based on, depending on the product that you go for, because it's of different variants.
I'm sure. I wanted to say, because for you to now take up extra responsibility, it means that the premium is going to be more than the normal third party.
Yes, exactly. You're very right. So we know this product is designed for private vehicles, right? Private cars. And for private cars, by regulation, the minimum premium you pay is 15,000 naira for private car, third party cover. Now, with the plus element that gives you the bit of comprehensive cover, you now pay different premium depending on the product. So we have 3 products for individuals and 1 that is specifically tailored to corporate entity. So we have what we call the third party plus on the go. On the go is the lowest of the variants. Then we have the third party plus diamond, right? And then you have the third party plus star. Then you have the platinum. The platinum is for the corporate entity. Now for the smallest one, which is the on the go, your premium is just 30,000 naira. And what that means is that beyond the third party cover, you are going to have compensation for damage to your car up to the tune of 500,000 naira. So it means that with an additional 15,000 naira, you can get yourself an additional cover of 500,000.
I see Dr. Imo is itching to add to this. So I guess what you would say is, I could say, why don't I just do the comprehensive? But this should be cheaper for me than doing the comprehensive, and yet I still get some benefits from the comprehensive. That's what you're promising.
Yeah, so what happened is this, because of the socioeconomic conditions in Nigeria, and a lot of people are not taking up comprehensive. Well, how do we get the premium for comprehensive? It's 5% of the sum insured of value at risk. And so we notice that a lot of people are no longer going for comprehensive, and in the event of a loss, they have only the basic third party, and in the event of a loss, the third party protects the motorist, the owner of the vehicle, against his third party liability, which is death or bodily injury or damage to third party assets. Now, but what happens to your own car? You are on your own. So we find out that people now are looking at, what do I do? My insurance company has fixed that of the third party and the asset. So we came up with 3 variants, like my colleague have said, and we analyze the premium that the own damage cost varies and starts from about 500,000 naira. So to lash up the equivalent premium for that own damage cover, we sought for approval from the regulators after a lot of tests and the assessment, and we were able to come out and say most Nigerians suffer with a bill of 500,000 naira to fix their own damaged car, and from there we started pricing it. So that's to give back to the insured, and that's why it is called a budget-friendly cover. It's not a cover that will tear your body, tear your pocket, because if you take 500, take 15%, 5% of a vehicle that costs 200 million naira. It is not an easy thing. And insurance in Nigeria is said to be a grudge purchase, and quite a lot of people don't.
I'm glad you brought that, Dr. Imo, because I wanted to ask you if the distrust or mistrust between the public and insurance company has been resolved, because a lot of people are reluctant to get into insurance. I mean, a lot of people just do the third party because they are compelled to, because they say the process of getting claims, I mean,
let me just demystify that perception people have about insurance. It's not only in Nigeria anyway. Many other.
Well, insurance is thriving in a lot of Western countries. It's
but
a big industry.
A lot of companies paid billions in claims last year. Many companies, I'm not going to mention them because I'm only talking about Linkage, and Linkage as well. Insurance companies in Nigeria are picking up claims as far as those are genuine claims, as long as they are not fraudulent claims, as long as those claims are. And the process of making claims today is quite easy. You can log in onto the websites. You can also assess your claim through your broker or your agent, or walk into the insurance company's office and they make it. And people have been making claims. The only thing is that some people still hold on that insurance, that small print, there's no more small prints.
No more small prints.
No more
promise.
small prints. Everything is now naked. Yes, yes.
All right, Oluwaseun, we hear no more small prints, you know, it's more, but I mean, so how does this work? I'm interested in this now. Where do I go to? What do I do?
Okay, so basically what you need to do to get this product, because one of the features that we have for this product is accessibility, that you are able to sit at the comfort of your home, right, and then get this product. And so to get the product at your convenience, you can just go to our website, www.linkageassurance.com. Now, we also have our online motor portal that also caters to you getting this product without any form of stress. And so the Linkage online motor portal is on www.linkageassurance.com/motor. Right? Once you put that on your browser, it takes you straight to the user-friendly platform that enables you to get this product without any stress. You don't need to contact anybody. From the point of purchase to the point of payment to getting the cover, the platform takes care of all the needs. Other than that, you can also reach out to us through our customer service links on
070 link
we
here.
have 2 lines you can reach us on. The 0700 linkage.
That's, I believe that's what
then,
you have on there.
Yes, and then the linkage 00 link here. You can also send us a mail. Our customer service team will also be ready to pick up your information and also assist you. We care at linkageassurance.com. Now, once you reach us through this, even on our social media as well, you can check us out. You can link up with us on our Instagram,
even on Facebook.
On Facebook, right? And
so you have a very active, I want to assume, you have a very active customer care system.
Yes,
because,
yes.
I mean, if you have all of this, your hotlines and your email, that means there has to be somebody on the other side.
Sure.
Yeah, there are.
Sure.
But is it this easy to also get the claims, if it's this easy to get the policy?
Yeah, you can get, if you have your substantiating document, that is...
Do you need proof when you want to do claims? Do you need, proof, pictures or things like
it's actually
that?
very simple.
Yes.
It's actually very easy.
If your vehicle hit another person and we are trying to repair the other person's vehicle as well, and we need proof because we might have to make use of our subrogational right to recover from the other person who is at fault as well. So we also need claim evidence to know that this actually the subject matter of insurance is in existence, because there have been a case where somebody went and a vehicle that was burnt and he had put a plate number there and snapped a picture and wanted to defraud an insurance company. It has happened.
So you need to have proof when these things happen.
You need to have proof, but you can upload those things. Thank God for today we have internet. You can upload them.
Upload into you on your website?
Yes, you can upload on our website. It's user friendly and it makes it easier for us to interact on you. We have a chat bot as well. You can chat with us.
What's an average time limit?
Now, if you substantiate your claim, minor claim can be settled within the period of 48 hours.
Really?
Yes.
That's fast. I hope you can start to 48 hours.
48 hours. Minor claims. Not in
What is minor? What is
well,
major?
minor claims could be my fender was brushed, or I pulled down another person's fender, or his headlamp.
Then major would be?
Major might involve debt. If it involves debt, like in third-party liability, if it involves pulling down somebody's gate or pulling down somebody's store by the side. We need to get a lot of things together. Yes, the insurance companies will be treating those things because some of those claims might just have to be done immediately in order to save life.
Okay.
The insurance industry in Nigeria have actually improved from what it used to be.
Well, I know you say that. I mean, you're the chief product officer. But just before we let you go, could you tell our viewers again how they can reach you? Some of those
Okay, you can reach us at www.linkageassuranceplc.com. And if you want to access our motor portal, you do that, www.linkageassurance.com/motor. And you can also go to our Instagram handle, Linkage Assurance NG, or our Facebook, Linkage Assurance PLC, as well as our on LinkedIn, Linkage Assurance PLC. You can also give us a mail at wecare@linkageassurance.com. And we also have our hotlines, 070-LINK-CARE. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Imo, Chief Strategy and Product Officer at Linkage Assurance, as well as the Head Actuarial Services, Oluwaseun Oyelere. Thank you so much.
Thank you, it's our pleasure.
Thank you. All right, we're still talking insurance, but next we're going to speak to those who are overseeing the affairs in that sector. You know, before now we've seen how insurance stocks have also been picking up. I guess it's because of things like this, like products being offered by some of the insurance company, and majorly because the implementation of the third-party insurance policy seems to be getting a new lease of life. But let's take a short break. When we come back, we'll be speaking to the Director General of Nigerian Insurers Association. Stay with us.